actually in West Virginia and Western Maryland, and also in Western PA, dealing with some of the changeover, a little bit of a mixed bag precipitation across that area. Look at the rainfall totals from Sandy, though. You see the pink there? That's the highest totals above, like close to like a foot of rain in a lot of spots. And also we're looking at the reds. That's where we were. We got about 5 to 6 inches of some rainfall across the area. Not only did Sandy bring lots of rain, copious amounts of rain, but also some snow. Look at Red House, Maryland, 30 inches of snow, 24 in Oakland, West Virginia. Davis came in at 28, 24 in Norton, Virginia, and Gatlinburg all the way down into Tennessee, 22 inches. So this just goes to show you the breadth and depth of this storm. It's now pushing away, which is some good news, but it is cold out there. This basically changed our weather pattern. We were dealing with Indian summer before it came. Now we're dealing with temperatures that should be in late November. Temperature right now in Cockeysville at 45 degrees. Clarksville at 44. We're at 44 in Frederick, and we're at 45 in Easton right now. Sparrows Point, more of the same. Aberdeen, good morning to you. You're coming in at 43 degrees. These temperatures will remain chilly as we go throughout the day. At the surface, we are waiting for this area of high pressure to build in, and it will do so as we go into the weekend. But we do have that counterclockwise flow, and that's going to be bringing a northwesterly, chilly, breezy flow in here as we head through the rest of today and even tomorrow. Future trend picking up on the cloud cover as we go throughout the day. Still going to keep in a chance for some showers. We are getting some showers out there on the radar right now in certain spots, scattered, very light. The clouds will begin to move away from us as we go towards the weekend. But for today, this is what you can expect by lunchtime. That temperature coming in at 52 degrees, and the temperatures really not bumping up much from there. We can see our high today, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, coming in at 54 degrees. We should be at 61 now for this time of the year, so temperatures are really below that. This is what we're waiting for Saturday and Sunday. More sunshine, but we still stay in that chilly pattern even as we head into next week. Let's get a check now of the ABC2 Time Saver traffic with Lauren Cook.